Abuja, get ready. From February 13 to 15, the Taste of Nigeria Festival will set the city alive in the Enjoy Nigeria Expo and Festival. It's 3 delicious days of food, fun, culture, and music at its best. Are you a food vendor, chef, or culinary entrepreneur? This is your golden chance to showcase your flavors, grow your brand, and sell to thousands of food lovers from across Nigeria and beyond. It is an opportunity to reach over 10,000 festival visitors and food enthusiasts. Sell directly to diverse audience of locals, tourists, and corporate guests. Get media exposure through NX Fest promotions and partner channels. Network with hospitality and tourist industry leaders. Be part of Nigeria's biggest food culture and lifestyle celebration. From local beverages to jollof, to suya, grills, pastries, whatever your specialty, the world deserves to taste it. Venue, Art and Culture Pavilion, Abuja. Date, February 13 to 15, 2026. Vendor registration now open. Visit www.nx.ng or call 080-964-308-59 to secure your space. Taste of Nigeria Festival. Celebrate, connect, make it unforgettable.